Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect a credit card with Bank of America, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect a credit card with Bank of America, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Bank of America website. If you already have an account, click on the Sign In button. Enter your online ID and passcode. If you do not have an account, select Enroll to create one. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your online banking account. Once signed in, locate the Accounts tab on the main menu. Click on Add a credit card or link a new account. You will be prompted to enter your credit card information. Provide the credit card number, expiration date, and security code. Select the type of account, if applicable. Click Continue to proceed. Review the information you submitted for accuracy. Confirm the connection by clicking the Submit button. Wait for a confirmation message indicating the card has been connected. You may receive a verification prompt for additional security. Follow any further instructions to complete the process. Check your account dashboard to ensure your credit card is listed. You are now ready to use your connected credit card with Bank of America. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.